Hi, art teachers. Welcome to the Art of Education University's Artfully Organized. We provide tips, tricks, and hacks to bring order to your art room and address the unique challenges and complexities that come with art room organization.
If you're an art teacher and you don't have a space that looks like this, are you even an art teacher?
In this YouTube mini-series, we're going to take a peek into a variety of art rooms and see how other art teachers, like you, organize their space.
It may look like a mess, but I know where everything is. Usually.
This is the reality of it.
We'll be looking at labeling, table caddies, learning target walls, and more.
A box of sticks, you never know.
Lots of straws, just in case you get thirsty. All that art teacher stuff.
Organization is key in an art room because it helps you troubleshoot when things go wrong.
Kind of feels like chaos.
It's a hot mess right now.
Supports your teaching approach, helps when guest teachers come into your room, encourages students to be independent, prevents waste, and is a more efficient use of your time and energy. We recognize that art room organization is unique, just like you.
And I still haven't put that stuff away because it's really high up and I'm short.
It's just that time of the year.
We'd love for you to like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss a future episode.
If anybody can come help me organize, I think I need a professional, I would hire you. So here we go.